Hello and welcome to Lead Manager tutorial on Condat Solution. In this training video, I'll guide you on how to manage leads using Condat, a powerful system that helps you manage your clients and their applications more effectively. First, let's start by logging into Condat and opening Lead Manager section. Once you've opened the section, click on Add Leads button. Next, fill the necessary details of the lead, such as their name, email, phone number, and inquiry. Additionally, if you know the client's visa status and expiry date, you can quickly add them by providing that information as well. After adding the lead, it will automatically be shown in the New Leads tab. From here, you can assign a consultant to manage the lead by clicking on Assign User button. The consultant will then receive a notification and can then counsel the student and provide their comments of communication. After counseling, you can update the student's status to prospects if your student requires further nurturing, or you can convert them into clients if they're already ready to proceed with their application. If you want to view your lead's overall performance, you can check the leads dashboard. This dashboard provides real-time information on the number of leads, conversion, and other key metrics that helps you make better informed decisions. In addition to managing leads effectively with Condat, you can also generate various types of reports through Lead Report feature. You can generate reports based on leads added on specific dates, leads from particular source, leads assigned to a specific user or branch, and more. This helps you keep track of the progress of your leads and identify areas that might need improvement. With Condat, you can mainstream your lead management process and optimize your business operations. Finally, let's say you want to find out how many student visas are expiring in this coming month. With Condat's advanced search feature, you can easily filter your results by inputting the visa expiry details. This will provide you with a list of clients whose visas are expiring within specified time frame. You can also filter these results based on assigned user, branch, or sub-agent, making it easier for you to manage your leads effectively. In conclusion, Condat's Lead Manager is a powerful tool that helps you manage your leads and inquiries more effectively. By following these steps, you can add leads with ease and manage them effectively, saving you time and helping you make better informed decisions.